Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ju from Happiness and Crafting. So today is just a quick flip through of my two latest kits. I want to use them, I want to make something from them. So before I start cutting them up, I thought I'd give you a quick flip through. Now this is a man's best friend and the Cats Whiskers. So they're two animal, one dog and one cat themed digital kits. So they are really lovely. They're on a vintage theme, so if you wanted to put both of them together, they do mix and match really well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through the cat one first. So this is the Cat's Whiskers on this one. So this is really nice. So if you are a cat lover, this is a really lovely themed journal that you can do. So here we go, we've got some lovely little pictures of cats here. Got a nice big cat's head on there, a little pussy cat there. So I think these are so lovely, really lovely. I'm just going to give you a quick flip through just so you can have a look, because I like to do that with my kits. That says her whiskers and her velvet paws. So this is lovely. So there we go, nice little pictures down here. This is a little poem on there. And then we have I normally do 6 main pages and then 4 sort of backing pages. Now I love these backing pages because you could even put those in frames if you liked cats, and I think they are really lovely. I've sort of muted them down so you can write over the top of them if you want to in your journals and stick things over the top. So it's very versatile. Look at that beautiful pussy cat. I am a cat and a dog lover. I do have both. So, and then again, I put them down into postcard size. So they are lovely. So we've got 6 of the main pages on there. This is, I thought we could do on the front of a journal. So that says the Cat's Whiskers on there. Beautiful little pictures of cats on there. Lots of lovely embellishments. We've done tiny little pockets, little corner pockets here, because if you want to do a little small journal, these will fit onto the little postcard size, which I love. I absolutely love those. And then we have some lovely tags and some catty words and some little sayings on there, which are gorgeous. And then here we have the lovely poem on the big tag here, and 2 tags there, and we've got some little page tabs down there. So I think this is beautiful, really lovely. So that's the cat one. And then we have this one, which is a man's best friend. So we've got the lovely vintage photos on there. And we have this one in here, some beautiful pictures, a little bit of greenery on that one. Little sayings up here, little bits of poems. So there we go. They are lovely. I've done it so that you can just fold these in half, and you've got half a doggy on one and half a doggy on the other. No, well, not half a doggy, a whole doggy on there. So, and these are lovely vintage photos down there, beautiful. And then these, I've got little doggies on here. It's got like a very faint border around this one, which is really lovely. So it's white on there. Look at that, how lovely is that? Beautiful. Really loving these. And again, we have 4 dog backing papers, so these would look lovely in frames as well. So if you wanted to do a nice quick present for somebody, you could just get like a clip frame and pop a little picture in it of a dog or a cat. So that is a really quick and easy present for someone. So we've got 4 of these like that, little doggies there. And then again, we've got the little postcard sizes, which are lovely. And the same again, we've got the little embellishments here. Man's best friend on there, which is lovely for a front of a journal. And then we've got a smaller embellishment there of it as well. Lovely little corner pockets and tags and a little belly band. We've got some beautiful tags here. Very similar, we try to do it very similar to the cat one, so that you have a sort of like choice if the cat or the dog, and they're to be very similar. So then we've got the doggy words, and we've got the page tabs and a couple of tags there, a couple of large tags on there. So I think these kits are really lovely. So I just wanted to just flip through them before I start cutting them up and making things with them. So there we go, guys. I hope you're all safe and well. Please have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you all soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye bye.